Welcome to another video. We are told to solve for x, given that 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 60. So this type of equation is a type of an index equation where we are going to find the value of x. If you look at this, it's not easy to predict the value of x, but there's a stage that I'm going to take you through step by step until you find that value of x. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Straight away, let us dive into the solution. If you look at this, it is 4 raised to x. So plus 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 60. So guys, this is 4 raised to x, 4 raised to x, 4 raised to x. I'm going to treat them as similar term. So when I add them, I'm going to get 3 into 4 raised to x is equals to 60, like that. So at that stage, I'm going to divide by 3 all through so that I get 4 raised to x is equals to 20. Of course, when you divide 60 by 3, get 20. So at this stage, since we have a power over x, then the best approach that I'm going to use is to introduce directly the logs on both sides, or the natural log, so that I have the log of 4 raised to x is equals to the log of 20. So if you have the log of a raised to b, then of course this going to be simplified as b to the log of a, meaning the power just comes beside it. So applying that, I'm going to have x going to come there to the log of 4 is equals to the log of 20. So well, I want to remain with x on that side, so I'm going to divide by the log of 4. Of course, that's going to give me, I'm going to cancel like that, so that I have x is equals to the log of 20 divided by the log of 4. So well, at this stage, I'm going to express 20 to be in terms of 5 multiplied by 4, so that when I bring it here, the log 4 and that 4 gonna cancel. So x now gonna come to be the log of 5 plus the log of 4, using the law of, you can recall that when you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be separated as the log of a plus the log of b, like that. So well, it's gonna be x now becomes the log of 5 plus the log of 4. In the denominator, I had the log of 4, so I'm gonna bring it there. I'm gonna separate this, since the denominator is log 4, so I'm going to separate it like that, plus the log of 4 divided by the log of 4. So it goes without saying. So that's going to have the log of 5 divide by the, so that's gonna be the log of 4 plus, of course, when I cancel like that, I'm gonna get 1, meaning that the value of x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5. I'm gonna take this to be the base for my particular equation here. 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 60. So of course we're going to verify if x is indeed that. So I had 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 60. Of course, when I add this, I got it as 3 in bracket 4 raised to x is equals to 60. So where there is x, I'm going to substitute the all of this. So I'm going to get 3 multiplied by 4 raised to 1 plus the log of that. So expanding, I'm going to get 3 4 raised to power 1 times 4 raised to power log of 5 base 4 is equals to 60. You need to recall that if you have a to the power of log b base a, then this and this cancels and you get to b. So I'm going to apply this at this particular point so that I have 3 times 4, of course 4 raised to power 1 is 4, times this and this goes 5 is equals to 60. Of course 3 times 4, I'm going to get 12. Equals to 60. Of course 60 is equals to 60. Hence we have proved our answer. Kindly remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Until we meet again in the next video, goodbye.